Will it blend? That is the question. It's time for me to buy a new phone, and I always have to have the latest, but Samsung claims to be the greatest. The iPhone 5 has the A6 chip and Retina display. Ooh. The Galaxy S3 has a bigger screen and S-Beam technology. The real question is, which one will blend faster in a Blendtec Total Blender? I'm going to press the starting bell button. Oh, Siri smoke. Don't breathe this. Oh, this smells like jelly beans. They both look the same to me. I think the real winner is the Blendtec Total Blender. Why don't you decide?